everyone, it's Chloé. So today is Saturday and we are going to Toulouse, see some places and to make the vlog. So it's 11 in the morning almost and we are going. Let's go! To subway, the Canal du Midi, and we are walking all along the Canal du Midi. In Toulouse there is many ways to travel, by bus, by subway, by foot, by bike, by tramway, and you can take the plane. So I'm living in Toulouse since almost 5 years now, so I can say that I know pretty much the city. So we are heading to Place Saint-Georges, which is a very nice place to just take a coffee or just take the sun, eat some coulis. Okay, so near Place Saint-Georges you can also go to the top of the Galerie Lafayette, which you can have a great view of Toulouse, and there is also a bar and a restaurant on the top which is called Ma Biche sur le toit, and it's really nice to have a drink there, but it's also really expensive, so pay attention. If you want to have a free great view of Toulouse you can also go to the parking des Carmes. It's free. So now we are going to the capital, which is the heart of the municipal administration of Toulouse. This is a great place. There is a lot of events on it, like concerts, like Christmas markets, some sport events or something like that. It's a really nice place. There is lots of coffee and restaurants around. You can go inside the capital if you want. There is like a really big room with some paints on it, on the walls, and there is lots of big windows. You have to see it. So as you can see, doors are closed, so it means that the capital is closed, so we can't go inside. I'm so sad about that, but if you can go, just go. It's really wonderful. So here is the Place Saint-Pierre. It's a really known place by students, mostly because it's the place where there is lots of bars to go out every night. The famous one is Chez Tonton, just right there. It's a yellow one, and I love this one. It's called the Saint des Saints. It means in English the Saint of Books. It's a really cool bar. There is good music and it's really nice. The place is nice, and we got a lot of great memories there. As soon as we remember them. You can also sit there or just go to the bridge and walk on the bridge. You can also walk along the Garonne, just there. It's really nice. And you can also go to the Quai de la Dorade, which is just right there if you continue. It's a really nice place where you can sit or eat and everything. So fun fact, Tom Anders, the former CEO of Airbus, is living just right there. So it's 2 p.m. almost and we are getting hungry, so we are going to eat. We are going to try the Poketeria, which is some place where we can eat a Pokeball. So let's go! So we just finished our lunch and it was really good. It's Poketeria. Poketeria! What up? So this is the Quai de la Dorade, and during the summer there is lots of people there just sitting and enjoying the sun. We are in the park, just near the Jardin Japonais. So there is lots of children because it's a park, obviously. And we are going to the Jardin Japonais. So this is the entry. And here we are! So this is the end of the vlog. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to see you in Toulouse and just test all the places I talk about. Bye! Okay, so now we're heading for the last activity of the day. We are going to theater! What up? We are going to the theater. We are going to see a comedy about wedding, about how to plan a wedding. I'm really happy about that because it's my first time in the theater in Toulouse, so we'll see how it will be. So, bisous!